All right, we got a 2007 Honda Accord 3.0 liter. We're gonna be doing the headlight bulb replacement. All right, now we're gonna install the new one. We're gonna start off by grabbing our new bulb. We're gonna grab our connector. We're gonna make sure to install it properly. Always look where the tab's at. Install. Now that the light's there, we're gonna check and verify that the light works. And once you got it in, we're gonna take a look at the headlight one more time. All right, so in order to take this head pull out, we're gonna go under here. I'm gonna sink our hand in here. Right over here, this is our headlight bulb. We're gonna loosen that out. I'm gonna be taking that out by twisting it. Once we got it once it's out, I'm gonna pull out the head bulb over here. We're now gonna grab our second hand. I'm gonna hold this one tab right here. And we're gonna pull it out. Now we're gonna reconnect it back in. Carefully insert it back in. And like that, that's how you do your bulb. As you can see, the light turns on, so that means the bulb is good.